So I removed this rear quarter card here just to gain access to the wiring, which is actually living underneath the card here for the fuel pump and the sender. But whilst doing so, you can see it's slightly scuzzy there. This is where there was a lot of this. It's nesting material from a mouse or some kind of creature that had been living in there. Let's see if we can find some more. Seatbelt anchor point wasn't even done up. So now I've removed the seats, we can really see what's going on with our mouse infestation. You can see here that they were actually having a really happy time in this car for quite a while. Not only was there nesting material at the back here behind that card, they were also underneath the seats. So next up, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this carpet. So at this point I was kind of expecting to see extremely rusted out inner seals and floor pans. Apart from some superficial rust here, there's not really much to report. What I'll probably end up doing is just redoing this soundproofing here, cleaning up the area. There's not really many repairs there. It's just rusty water that's left those stains there. So that's good. But on the near side, this is where the problem was with the dent. You can actually see that this here is extremely raised up. Yeah, maybe it was a forklift truck that's done that. That would explain the damage on the other side as well, where the soundproofing is cracked. It's not as bad as I thought. What I'll probably do is I'm going to try the old-fashioned method with a block of wood and a large mallet, and we'll see if we can just get this a little bit straighter.
Join us next time and the battle continues to save the Turbo Mira. Thanks for watching. Cheers!